Every minute someone leaves this world behind. Age has nothing to do with it. We are all in the line without knowing it. We never know how many people are before us. We cannot move to the back of the line. We cannot step out of the line. We cannot avoid the line. So while we wait in line, make moments count. Make priorities. Make the time. Make your gifts known. Make a nobody feel like a somebody. Make your voice heard. Make the small things big. Make someone smile. Make the change. Make love. Make up. Make peace. Make sure to tell your people they are loved. Make sure to have no regrets. Make sure you are ready. Every minute someone leaves this world. Be wise. Stay Putinized. Until you subscribe to Brave Minds projects, women will continue to useless you. Now that you have accepted the Brave Minds projects, comment the word Putin, and I will DM you the link for you to become Putinized. The mission of Brave Mind is to inspire and improve people's lives. Join us on our journey by following the community with premium content.